This is a construction site or a bridge in the water where safety hazards can be observed. These hazards not only endanger workers, but also pose risk to local communities. In this report, we will analyze the safety risks, the stakeholder roles, and also provide solutions that align with the Occupational Safety and Health Act 1994.
At this construction site, the following hazards has been identified. Firstly, the worker operating without safety equipment such as helmet and harnesses. Secondly, unstable scaffolding and unprotected edges, increasing the risk of falls. Thirdly, heavy machinery being used near clutter and obstructed ways, risking collision and accidents. These hazards violate the Occupational Safety and Health Act 1994, specifically Section 15, Employer General Duties to ensure safety at the workplace. Section 17, ensuring non-employees such as nearby pedestrians are not exposed to risk. And Section 34, workers' duty to follow the safety measure and cooperate with the safety measures.
Each stakeholder has a role to play. For example, the employers should implement proper safety measures including daily inspections and mandatory PPE usage. Besides, workers should strictly follow the safety guidelines as well as reporting hazards.
The third stakeholder is the Department of Occupational Safety and Health, DOSH. They are responsible for inspection, enforcement, and ensuring compliance with safety laws. Lastly is the local community. The local community, which includes pedestrians and also the nearby residents, need to stay aware and report any unsafe conditions.
This site is open and messy. I drive past every day and then it feels unsafe lah. The debris is everywhere and there's no fencing.
As a safety and health consultants, considerations arise in the different sector. First, the employees may argue that the safety measurements increase costs and will delay the construction's timeline. Next, the workers may not follow the PPE guidance due to the discomfort and the lack of awareness. Lastly, the Department of Operational Safety and Health are facing resources limitations for frequent inspections. As a safety and health consultant, most are selected to solve the issues above. First, mandatory daily safety briefings and toolbox talks for workers to increase their awareness. Second, cost-effective solutions such as durable safety harnesses and capsules on scaffolding. Thirdly, introduce technologies such as drones inspections for better hazards monitoring. Lastly, anonymous reporting system for the worker to highlight safety concerns without fear of retaliation.
Safety is a shared responsibility, but adhering to the Occupational Safety and Health Act 1994 and fostering the collaboration among all stakeholders, we can create a safer environment for workers and the public.